Imagine you're preparing dinner. Pick up a fresh onion. You make the very first cut. Just a few seconds later, your eyes begin to sting. Tears start rolling down your face. You didn't feel sad, you weren't laughing. So, why is a simple onion making you cry? For centuries, people believed onions had magical powers, but the real reason is even more fascinating. Hidden inside every onion is a remarkable chemical defense system designed by nature itself. Today, we'll uncover the surprising science behind every tear. Onions have been grown for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians even worshipped onions because of their perfectly round layers, which symbolized eternity. Today, onions are one of the world's most widely consumed vegetables. Yet every onion hides something invisible. Tiny compartments filled with different chemicals. As long as the onion remains whole, these chemicals stay safely separated. Nothing happens, no smell, no tears. Everything changes the moment your knife slices through it. Unlike animals, plants cannot run away. They cannot fight predators. Instead, they evolved chemical defenses. When an onion is cut, thousands of cells burst open. Enzymes instantly mix with sulfur-containing compounds stored inside the onion. Within seconds, a brand new chemical is created. Scientists call it the lachrymatory factor. Its only purpose is to make attackers think twice before eating the plant. It's the onion's natural defense weapon. The invisible gas quickly rises into the air. It reaches your eyes. The surface of your eyes is always covered by a thin layer of moisture. When the gas dissolves in this moisture, it forms a mild acidic substance. Your eyes immediately detect irritation. The brain sends an emergency signal. Tears, flush it away. Your tear glands rapidly produce extra tears. These tears wash the irritating chemical away, protecting your eyes from damage. So, surprisingly, the onion isn't forcing you to cry emotionally. Your own body is protecting itself. Fortunately, there are several tricks. Chill the onion before cutting. Cold temperatures slow the chemical reaction. Use a very sharp knife. Cleaner cuts damage fewer cells. Cut near a fan. Moving air blows the gas away. Wear protective goggles. No gas reaches your eyes. Some people even cut onions under running water. Although this works, it can also wash away some flavor. Not every onion makes you cry equally. Sweet onions contain fewer sulfur compounds. They produce less irritating gas. Yellow onions usually create stronger reactions. White onions can be even sharper. Red onions often fall somewhere in between. Growing conditions, soil, weather, even storage time can all affect how much tear-producing chemical an onion creates. Every onion is slightly different. The next time tears roll down your face while cutting an onion, remember, you're witnessing millions of years of plant evolution. Those tears aren't a sign of weakness. They're proof that your eyes are doing exactly what they were designed to do. Nature has equipped the humble onion with an extraordinary chemical defense, and your body has an equally remarkable way of protecting itself. The kitchen may seem ordinary, but it's filled with incredible science waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed discovering the science behind everyday foods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Harvest Facts for more fascinating stories about fruits, vegetables, nutrition, and the hidden wonders of nature.